Hi friends, welcome back to another session of SAP SD. I am Manoj, certified SAP SD and transportation management consultant. In today's session, we'll discuss about delivery priority, backorder process, and rescheduling. So as we discussed in last class, as we know in customer master, we have three views: general data, company code data, and sales area data. First, we'll start from sales area data, shipping view. Field name is delivery priority. Purpose of delivery priority is to classify the customer for shipping, which includes backorder process and rescheduling. Really, this session will be interesting and very useful for beginners. In this session, we'll go through overview and testing of delivery priority, backorder process and rescheduling, then configuration for backorder process and rescheduling. Finally, we'll discuss about the interview questions. Here I have listed 15 questions for 15 questions for delivery priority, backorder process, and rescheduling. So guys, first we have to understand what exactly delivery priority is. Delivery priority classify the customer on basis of shipping priority. For delivering the goods, this can be used as an important selection criteria while selecting the orders that are due for delivery using the transaction code VL10A, which is the collective process of delivery. So here we classify the customer in two parameters. One is high priority customer, another one is low priority customer. Here client requirement is what? Client requirement is user should deliver the goods for high priority customers. List of order for high priority customers and material is X. Because your stock of X material is shortage, we have less quantity, we have less number of quantities available for X material. So system should means we first will distribute the goods X material to high priority customer only. Thereafter, if any stock left out, then we'll deliver the goods to low priority customer. So here matter is what? Priority. Okay, so I'll show you how to select how to selection criteria, how we'll filter with high priority customer in VL10A transaction codes. So VL10A, this is VL10A, this is the transaction code for collective process of delivery. So here at a time you can create delivery for multiple sales order. So here requirement is what? For X material, user should deliver for high priority customers only. The order which is high priority customer. So here we are having selection criteria, delivery priority is high, then we have to pass material code X. Then here system will filter with high priority customer only. We can ignore to low priority customer because stock is not available. You can execute, then you will find the list of sales order here. You can at a time you can create the delivery. So this is the selection criteria. In next slide, I'll show you. I'll create some order for high priority customer, then low priority customer. Then here we'll filter with high priority customers. Then if we'll talk about the priority, then business classify the customers with high priority and low priority based on certain parameters. So let's see what are the parameters so that business can classify the customer in priority. So first parameter is high turnover. High turnover means one example, if customers having sales turnover 1 crore in a year, 1 crore or more than 1 crore in a year, then that customer will comes under high priority customer. If sales turnover is less than 1 crore in a year, then that customer is low priority customer. Another one parameter, high volume order. High volume means quantities. Suppose a customer is purchasing 1000 quantities in a year, then that customer comes under high priority customer. If it is less than 1000, then that customer comes under low priority customers. Another one is payment history record. If customer is making advance payment or on time payment, then that customer will come under high priority customer. On time payment means before due date. Then another one is buying behavior. Buying behavior is nothing but the frequency of purchase request. If customer is placing multiple sales order in a month, then that customer comes under high priority customer. Suppose one customer place 10 sales order in a month, then that is high priority customer. If customer place 1-2 sales order in a month or no sales order in a month, then that customer comes under low priority customers. And also having some other parameters to classify the customer as a high priority or low priority customer. That depends upon business. Then here I can give you one example for how to set the priority of the customer. Suppose order per month. If any customer purchase placed 5 order in a month, 5 order or more than 5 order in a month, then this is high priority customer. So right side it is 5, so this right side is high priority customer, left side is low priority customer, because number of sales order is less than 5. Then volume of sales order. If any customer's volume means quantity is more than 10,000 in a year or half yearly, quarterly, then that customer is comes under high priority customer. So right side it is more than 10,000, so it is high priority customer. It is less than 10,000, it is low priority customer. Last year sales turnover. If customers yearly sales turnover is 20 crore or more than 20 crore, then that will comes under high priority customer. So right side customer is high priority customer, left side customer is low priority customer. Then we'll talk about payment term, payment history record. If customer is making advance payment or on time payment, and for right side customer, payment history record is very good, high priority customer. Left side it is average, so low priority customers. So in this way we can set high priority or low priority customers. So I hope you understood this. Then what is the purpose of delivery priority? First purpose is selection criteria. Then second is back order process. And third one is rescheduling. So now we'll check one by one. Selection criteria. So selection criteria is what? This is real-time client requirement. Client requirement is what? Client requirement is user will create delivery of sales order for high priority customer for X material. So here we are having two conditions. One is high priority and another one is for X material. Because why? Because stock of X material is less. So first we will serve to high priority customer, because high priority customer is our high valued customer. If any stock left out, then we'll distribute to low priority customer. So here for high priority customer, I have taken two customer code. One is 129 and another one is 132. And low priority customer is 130. So here I'll create 3 sales order. Then I'll filter with high priority customer sales order. Then I'll deliver that sales order by using VL10A, which is collective process of delivery. Okay, so quickly we'll go to SAP system and we'll check the priority of the customer, because we maintain priority of the delivery priority of customer in customer master. So go to XT02, check one by one customer. 129 is high priority customer. Then select customer sales area, then go to sales area data shipping tab, then go to sales area data shipping tab. So here customer is high priority customer, 01 is high priority customer, so 129 is high priority customer. Then go to 135 XT02, customer code is 135, is again high priority customer. Enter. Then again this customer is also high priority customer. Next customer is low priority customer. Customer code is 130, that is low priority customer. XT02 130, it is low priority. 3 means low priority. Okay, so now we'll create 3 sales order. /NVA01 order, customer code 129, This is high priority customer. I'll take X material, Y material, enter, save it. For your reference, you do one thing, open a notepad and note it down. Customer number is 129, which is high priority customer, and sales order number 21267. Then I'll create for 135. Again, this is high priority customer. Then low priority customer 130. Y material 10 quantities, save it. Now we are talking about the selection criteria. Okay, 21270. So transaction code for collective process of delivery is VL10A. So here condition is high priority. Here you will select 01. Then my material code is X. Y material code is Y. Then execute. So here you can see. Here you can see system consider two sales order 21267, 21268, which is high priority. System ignore this sales order because this is a low priority. Will distribute to high priority customer sales order. Then if any stock is available, then only will go for the low priority, or else no. So this is only selection criteria. So if you are new, then I will show you how to create a delivery at a time. Select here, click on select, then click on background, then click on log of delivery creation, then select, then click on documents, then delivery created. This is your delivery number. These two are delivery number. So if you want to see, then one by one you can see, and you can do the PGI. First I'll select 800188618, then click on display document. This is VL02 screen. Click on change. Now go to picking. You can deliver. You can do the PGI. Delivery already created. Now you can do the PGI. Post goods issue. Then click second one. Same thing. Click on display document. This is change mode. Click on display mode. Then storage location. Then your picked quantity. Then PGI. In this way, at the same time, you can create a delivery for multiple sales order. So this is selection criteria. So I hope you understood what is selection criteria. So we use delivery priority as a selection criteria, and we'll do the delivery for high priority customer for specific material. Okay. Then next, what is back order process? So back order process is what? Whenever high delivery priority customer places order, and if stock is not available, then we'll go to the open order of low priority customers. We'll cancel the confirmation of quantity and allocate to high priority customer. This is the manual process of quantity allocation. Okay, so next slide you can understand. So backorder process transaction code is V_array. So for backorder process testing, I'll take the material code as MT01, and for MT01 we have 1000 stock. So quickly we'll go to SAP system and we'll check the stock of the material. MMPE, material code MT01, My plant code is S100, then storage location S001. Stock should be 1000. Stock should be 1000 stock. Then you can see this scenario. First, I'll create sales order for a low priority customer and total quantity to this low priority customer. 1000 quantity I'll allocate. Then for low priority customer, confirm quantity will be 1000. Confirm quantity will be 1000. Quickly we'll create sales order for this low priority customer. Then BA01, here customer code. Please check the customer code. Customer code is 132. Yes, 132. Create sales order. 132 is your low priority customer. Material code MT01. I'll allocate total quantity. Then if you want to check the confirm quantity, double click on line item, then go to schedule line. Here confirm quantity is 1000. So total 1000 quantity reserved against this customer and sales order. So save it. Order created. Now backorder process is saying that now I'll create sales order for high priority customer. High priority customer code. So when high priority customer places order, if stock is not available, then system will not confirm the quantity for high priority customer. But our purpose is what? We have to confirm our high priority customer, because as a businessman we can't lose this customer, as a customer is most important and valuable customer for business. So suppose we got purchase request for high priority customer and quantity is 500, and here confirm quantity will be 0 because we have 1000 as stock and 1000 stock reserved against this sales order and customer. So for next sales order, confirm quantity will be 0. So we'll check, we'll create a sales order for high priority customer. Here customer code is 131. Customer code is 131 and this is high priority customer. 131, give PO number because it is a mandatory field. Material code MT01, give quantity as 500. So when you enter, system will pop up a screen that stock is not available. If stock is not available, then system will pop up the screen and confirm quantity will be 0, because we are having 1000 stock and 1000 stock is reserved against low priority customer. Okay, so we'll create without confirming quantity. Click on continue. Then again, if you want to cross check your schedule line, confirm quantity will be 0. Remember, for previous sales order confirm quantity was 1000. For this sales order confirm quantity is 0. So we have to make it 500 by using back order process. Now save it. Now order created for low priority customer and high priority customer. Now we'll do the back order process. Transaction code is V_RA. So initially confirm quantity for low priority customer was 1000. So now I'll cancel the confirmation of 1000 quantity and I'll change from 1000 to 500, and remaining 500 quantity I'll allocate to high priority customer. Okay, so I'll go to transaction code V_RA. Then give the material code MT01, plant code is S100, then execute. Then execute. Then select all sales order. This is one. Here you can see which one is high priority and low priority. 01 is high priority, 03 is low priority. So for 03 is low priority and for confirm quantity for 03 is 1000, and for high priority customer confirm quantity is 0. So in schedule and category confirm quantity is 0, then we cannot create the delivery. So first we have to change the confirm quantity here. So how to change? As per definition, we will cancel the if we have sales order for high priority customers and stock is not available, then in back order we'll go to the open order of low priority customer and we'll cancel the confirmation and we'll allocate the stock to high priority customer. So click on this, then here you can see this is the confirmed quantity for low priority customer. So I'll cancel the confirmation of 500 so that remaining 500 I can allocate to high priority customer. Then click on copy, then go to high priority customer. So here you can see confirm quantity 0. Then change the confirm quantity. Here I will allocate 500. Copy, then save it. Now these are the sales order. Okay, these are the sales order. I'll note it down. 21273. It was high priority and confirm quantity was 0. Now I'll check the confirm quantity. It should be 500. Then second one 132. Okay, 132. Here low priority. Here confirm quantity was 1000. Now I have cancelled from 1000 to 500. And order quantity, here you can see order quantity. For this order quantity 500 and for this order quantity 1000, but confirm quantity has been changed. So quickly, okay, wait. 21271 sales order number. Then quickly cross check. BA02. This is high priority customer. So for high priority customer, initially confirm quantity was 0. Here confirm quantity was 0. Now it should be 500. You can see this is 500. Initially it was 0. Then I'll go to the low priority customer sales order. VA02, VA02. This is 71. Double click on line item, then schedule line. Here confirm quantity is cancelled from 1000 to 500. Okay. So if here you can do it for multiple sales order. Then next is rescheduling. What is rescheduling? Third scenario. It is the automatic process of doing backorder process. It's nothing but rescheduling. So in backorder process, I have changed the quantity manually. I have adjusted the quantity manually. But here system will allocate the quantity. System will cancel the confirmation of low priority customer. For low priority customer, confirm quantity will be 0 over here in rescheduling. Okay, so rescheduling transaction code is V_V2. Here I'll take a separate metal code MT02 and stock of MT02 is 1000. So quickly we'll cross check the stock of the material for MT02. Go back. MT02, execute. Now stock is this. Okay. Now we have cross checked the stock. Again, same process I have to follow. Low priority customer code is here. In this case, low priority customer code is 134. Order quantity 1000 and confirm quantity will be 1000 because total 1000 quantity, and for first sales order it will confirm 1000 quantity. BA01, low priority customer is 134. Metal code MT02, create sales order for 1000 quantities. If you check the confirmation quantity, please remember this so that you can compare this. Okay, here confirm quantity is 1000 for low priority customer. Save it. Then another scenario. Thereafter, we got sales order from high priority customer and order quantity 500 and confirm quantity will be 0 because all quantity allocated to this customer. So here confirm quantity will be 0. So we'll cross check, we'll create sales order. Sales order number is 133. MT02, order quantity 500. Okay, so stock is not available. That is the reason I'm getting this pop-up message. Here you can check confirm quantity 0. Even if we are having stock in our plant, that stock is reserved against low priority customers sales order. Okay, continue. And again cross check. For first sales order, confirm quantity was 1000. For this sales order, confirm quantity is 0. Save it. Okay, so we have created 2 sales order. Then now I have to perform rescheduling. Transaction code is V_V2. Confirm quantity for initially confirm quantity for low priority customer was 1000. Now it will cancel and it will make it 0 automatically. But in backorder process, we can adjust it manually so that we can change the confirm quantity, but automatically this is automatic process. So confirm quantity will be automatically, it will be 0 for low priority customer and confirm quantity will be 500 for high priority customer. So we'll check this. Transaction code is, again remember this transaction code, V_V2. Then here you have to select material code and plant code. My material code is MT02 and plant code is S100. Uncheck simulation, then click on execute. Uncheck simulation and click on execute. Then press enter. Then click on yes. Click on yes. So now you can see here you try to understand that here confirm quantity is 500. This is order of high priority customer. This is low priority customer. Initial previous confirm quantity was 0. Now new confirm quantity 500. Previous confirm quantity was 1000. Now it is 0. So for low priority customer, it will make it 0. So this is high priority customer. Okay, so now it's working fine. Okay, next we'll discuss about the precondition. For which scenario backorder process and rescheduling will work. First is individual requirement. So this is the part of availability check. So when we'll go for availability check, we'll get more information about backorder process and rescheduling. As a fresher, if we are new to SAP, so now we are doing master data. So we have to check blindly. We have to check some precondition, individual requirement. Where we maintain individual requirement, we maintain individual requirement in material master MM02. So sales general plant data 1. So it should be individual requirement. So here it is individual requirement. If it is individual requirement, then only backorder and rescheduling will work, or else no. So before testing, you have to cross check whether it is 01 or not. Sorry, 02 or not. 01 is daily requirement. If you maintain 01, then it will not work. In real-time project, we are using 02, individual requirement. Okay. Then second thing is related to configuration. So individual requirement we have checked in material master. Second thing, fixed date and quantity we should be unchecked. This is in configuration steps. So same time I'll show you the configuration, basic configuration, what you have to check from your end before testing this delivery priority, backorder process and rescheduling. Go to sales and distribution, go to sales and distribution, then go to basic functions, then go to availability check and transfer of requirements, then go to availability check, then availability check with ATP logic or against planning. Then three things we have to check over here. First is carry out control for availability check. We can call it as scope of check. So here we have this combination 0 to individual requirement and checking rule will be BO. BO stand for back order process. This combination should be there. If there is no combination 0 to and BO, then go to new entries, then make it 0 to and BO. Then next is checking rule for back order of checking rule for updating back order. So go to your plant. My plant is S100, and right side you have to check whether this check rule BO is there or not against your plant. If not, then you maintain BO. Then last precondition is what? Last precondition is if you go to define default setting, if you go to your sales area, my sales area is S100, 1S, 1S. So this fixed date and quantity should be unchecked. If it is unchecked, then only back order and rescheduling will work. If it is unchecked, then it will. If it is checked, then it will not work. So these are the precondition and simple configuration for to test back order process, rescheduling, and delivery priority. Okay, so now we'll discuss about, and another one important point I want to discuss with you guys, that if we'll talk about delivery priority, so we are having two delivery priority. One is high priority 01 and another one is 03. So if one customer sales order 01 and 03 is there, then only system will work rescheduling. If it is 01 and 01 high priority, or it is 03 low priority or low priority to customer sales order, then you cannot test rescheduling. It will not work. But for back order, it will work because we are doing it manually. So you do one thing, you test, you create two customer and put 01 high priority customer and high priority customer, then create two sales order, then create two sales order and test v underscore v2. It will not work. It should be 01 low priority, one is low priority and another one is high priority. But for back order, as we are doing manually, it will work. But for rescheduling, it will not work. You will test it from your end. Any issues, then let me know. So now we'll discuss about the interview questions which we have for delivery priority, back order process, and rescheduling. So what is delivery priority? For delivering the goods, this can be used as an important selection criteria, which we have already executed VL10A. So here you can give the selection criteria. Another one is with the help of delivery priority, we classify the customer and will perform the back order and rescheduling. This would be your answer. Then where we maintain delivery priority, we maintain in customer master, sales area data, shipping tab. So first field is delivery priority. There we maintain the delivery priority. What is back order process? So whenever high delivery priority customer places order and if stock is not available, then we go to the open order of low priority customers. We'll cancel the confirmation of quantity and allocate it to the high priority customer, which we have already done. This is the manual process of quantity allocation. Then here you can see open order. What is open order? Open order means order created but delivery is pending. Then only that order will be eligible for back order process. If delivery created, then we cannot adjust the quantity. Then what is the transaction code for back order process? Transaction code for back order process is V underscore RA. What is rescheduling? Automatic process of doing back order process is nothing but rescheduling. Rescheduling is automatic process and back order process is manual process. What is the transaction code for rescheduling? V underscore V2. Next question, what is the difference between back order process and rescheduling? Back order process we do manual process, rescheduling is automatic process of back order. In which scenario back order process and rescheduling will not work? Remember, if it is daily requirement and if in configuration step fixed date and quantity is checked, then back order and rescheduling will not work. Configuration is okay, but back order process and rescheduling is not working. So if both customers are same priority, then back order process will work, but rescheduling will not work. Remember, you test this scenario. Then next, Client requirement is, this is real-time requirement. Client requirement is user will deliver the goods. We will deliver the sales order for high priority customer for X material, because here X material stock of X material is shortage. We'll give the stock to, will distribute the stock to high priority customer instead of low priority customer. So answer would be VL10A. Select high priority customer, high priority option, and select the material X. Then we can deliver to high priority customer. So guys, if you have any doubt, question, then you can ping me on WhatsApp, so I'll reply you. I'll be available on these communication details. So for more ideas on SAP SD, make sure you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for upcoming sessions. So guys, one request, how did you find this session? Please let me know on comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.